Hello everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Richard in Texas on the Texas Ranger TRE-2627. I'm sorry about the glare from my sweatshirt, but there that beautiful thing is right there. Richard, we got you all fixed up, ready to go. Wideband transmit and receive, clarifier mod, the Viagra board channel kit, so you push that out and in different combinations here. You wanted your 10 kilohertz switch somewhere else, but due to the PLL way it is, it's right here on the back. Middle is regular. Let's say you want to go flip it up, and then there's your 10 kilohertz there. Go back to the middle position, you're good to go. Got your LED meter light upgrade as well. We're going to be sending you somewhat of a refund because you got the truck rides package and some stuff didn't reply, so don't freak out when you get a little bit of money back in your bank account, okay? Let's just go ahead and get right to it here. I'm going to start with the RF power all the way down. This is a single final radio, obviously. We are not going to have a 250 watt slug here, and we are not going to have a 500 watt slug here. We actually just got done with a truckerized 2995, so that video will be coming up next. So 25 watt slug with it all the way down, and there's 1 watt. And let's roll it all the way up. And there's 5 watts. Now I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. Almost a 15 bird. 50 watt slug and peak. Hello. 30 watts peak. So there it is. This was Ranger's replacement for the Galaxy 2547. I do love the new front stand that they went to. No more broken legs there. This thing is rocking and rolling. All right, Richard, we'll get it out to you, man. I appreciate you very much. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bye-bye.